Someone there? I can hear you. Who is that? Who's in there?
Hello, Adam. Dr. Gordon. I want to play a game.
The Jigsaw killer.
Paul, find the path through the razor wire.
Technically speaking, he's not really a murderer. He never killed anyone.
Dr. Gordon, your aim in this game is to kill Adam. If you do not, then Diana will die.
He finds ways for his victims to kill themselves.
I'm sick of people who don't appreciate their blessings. I've given you a life purpose.
Looks like our friend Jigsaw likes to book himself front row seats to his own sick games.
He doesn't want us to cut through our chains. He wants us to cut through our feet.
Most people are so ungrateful to be alive. Not anymore.
You are a drug addict. Do you think that is why he picked you?
He helped me. Don't believe Adam's lies.
Live or die. Make your choice.
He doesn't want us to cut through our chains. He wants us to cut through our feet.
He helped me.
I want to play a game. Greetings and welcome. Right now, you are breathing in a deadly nerve agent. The only way out is to find an antidote. One is inside the safe. You all possess the combination in the back of your mind. Let the game begin.
Let's just take our time.
Whole house is a
Wait, shut the hell up! Wait! Run!
Live or die, make your choice.
There's something that we're not seeing. You did this.
Open the door! There's nowhere to go! Where is he?
Oh, yes. There will be blood.
We've witnessed his genius.
Most people are so ungrateful to be alive.
We know his work.
Please don't do this to me.
This Halloween, watch his legend grow.
Don't kill me.
Saw 3.
Suffering. You haven't seen anything yet. You think it's over? You think you're safe? You are wrong. I promise that my work will continue.
Saw 4.
The games have just begun. Hello, Agent Straum. If you're hearing this, then you've finally found what you've been looking for.
supposed to die in that trap.
You're no longer handling the case, Peter.
On whose orders?
Mine.
What do you want from me?
I want to know if you have what it takes. Vengeance can change a person. Make you into something you never thought you were capable of being.
Have you learned enough to trust me?
You think it's the living that will have ultimate judgment over you.
Why are you doing this? What do you want?
Because the dead will have no claim over your soul.
No, I'm not gonna do it! I'm not gonna do it!
But you may be mistaken. But I am still among you. When faced with death, who should live versus who will live are two entirely separate things.
If it's Halloween, it must be Saw.
You will be put to the test.
Saw 6.
He helped me.
I want to play a game. Since the beginning, you have watched others suffer. Now it is your turn to play. Game over. The last piece of the puzzle is you. Now the game's simple. Best ones are. You want mercy? Play by the rules.
Any identification on the victim?
Puzzle piece.
But Jigsaw has been dead for 10 years.
It's not him. Can't be.
This was on the body.
The truth will set you free.
I'm chasing a dead man.
Just running scared.
It's the copycat.
Each place we go. So afraid.
Live or die.
I show
The choice is yours.
just running.
You know what happens if we don't follow the rules?
The blood under the fingernails of our victim, it's John Kramer's, the Jigsaw killer.
That's impossible.
It was a game. Games can be won. It's Jigsaw.
No, it's not creepy at all.